Feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight.
Hello guys, good morning. It's already 4:30 in the morning, and we are trying to have some breakfast because it's too early pa. Medyo close pa ang mga tindahan. Today we have a schedule of an island hopping dulo dito sa Pescador, turtle and sardines. Nagkamot may luto diri og itlog, cup noodles. It's already 6 in the morning and we are on our way to Kuya for the island hopping trip. We are going to pay 1,500 for this trip and 3 spots, and we are very excited about this trip. Finally, we are getting fetched by Kuya. Kalabutan ko yung pangalan ni Kuya. Kaya, na-late good mi gamay ba? Okay na. Ano yung pangalan ni Kuya? Yuye. Yuye? Oo. Kuya Yuye. Good morning. Yes, finally we arrived here sa beach. It's a public beach and we hired a private bangka for our island hopping. Here's that. We're waiting for Kuya because we are going there. Ito ara. Okay, finally guys, ay naabot na good me. We are here at Pescador Island, and then here's Dot with me and sina Kuya. And sige, prepare na ta. Oh. Ulang boss. Sana. Okay to.
Ang kamera to ano yung napalit kay gamit ko yung nasi tambilis. Go Don, go. Ano boss?
Hello guys, good afternoon, good morning today. Yes, bago lang kami nakakuman sa turtle, and we are now at the location kung asa daghan na kaning sardines. So mag-dive na siyapon mi, pero ako di mo makalo mo dive. Laog na lang. Yan. Ano? Wag ganit yun. Dapat. Ganun na lang. Adiyan na? Kamera? Oh, kamera na. Okay. That was... Hello guys. That was fun. Actually, ikapoy gid ko. Ikapoy ko lutaw-lutaw sa light vest. Hello guys. Yes, that was fun. Actually, we enjoyed our island hopping tour diri sa Cebu or sa Boal-Boal. And actually, that was unexpected. Very beautiful ang mga corals. Gwapo kayong color sa mga isda. What we really enjoyed so much katong naami sa Pescador because grabe ka colorful ang mga coral so gila mga isda. Too bad lang kay I don't know how to swim sa life tawag ani sa life vest, but sila kuya very supportive kayo, sila ang nagkuha video sa mga para dili maglisod. Really enjoyed their company, very entertaining, and the best is gipahangi pagid Manila, so instead of 1,800 1,500 ang among gibayad. This will be the first vlog for today. Probably cut off na ko siya kay medyo taas-taas ang mga video na nakuha, but tell you guys, we really recommend ang tawag ani ang kaning island hopping nila. Kay actually ang kanang 1,800 or 1,500 ginahangyo na mo, good for 12 persons pa na siya. Kita ko kayo ang mong bangka. Sigo ang tibok barangay. So yun guys, hopefully you would subscribe on our channel. Subscribe on our YouTube channel, follow us on Facebook, and follow us on Twitter and Instagram because we have a lot more to offer. So guys, thank you so much. Kay karon manguli mi sa Cebu para manlaag na pod.
I'm